Today I'm going to show you how to film slow motion video with a Nikon D850. There's no built-in setting, but there are a few different ways we can get smooth footage and slow it down later in editing. Alright, let's get into it. Step 1, switch to live mode view. So if you've never done it before, it's this LV button right here. You click this while your camera's on, and then it will turn on, and you can see that there's actual video projecting through the camera. And then you have to make sure you swipe down so you're in movie mode and actually shooting video. And it just went really dark because the settings are different. And so I just got to boost up the ISO and drop this down so you can actually see what's going on in front of me. Alright, step 2 is choose a high frame rate. So you're going to want to go to menu and then movie shooting menu, which on the left is the third option down. And then you go down to frame size and frame rate. When you're there, you can choose either 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames, which that's going to give you more smooth HD and slow motion, and that's the highest quality setting that you can do for this. 1920 by 1080 at 60 is the main option I have experience shooting with because it's still full HD. But if you want to use 1280 by 720, there's another option there, and there's some of these other built-in camera options that are I'm less experienced with, and they're at random frame rates. But I'm going to test them out, and we'll put some clips in the video so you can see what they all look like. So if you're shooting in 60 frames, make sure you use 1/25 shutter speed. And this gives you more of a natural motion blur for your clean, slow motion footage, as opposed to something that looks like stuttery. Other than that, you can also slow it down in post, in editing, with Premiere, DaVinci, and other programs. If you record at 60, 120, or other high frame rates, then you just want to drop it onto a 24 or a 30 frame rate timeline, and then just slow it down to 40 or 50% speed. That's going to be where you get the most slow motion and like the cleanest looks. Alright, so that's pretty much it for how to change the frame rate so you can get slow motion on the Nikon D850. If you have any other questions, leave a comment below, and make sure to subscribe to FilterGrade for more tutorials on this camera and plenty of others.